A federal judge on Monday dismissed the Federal Trade Commission's antitrust case against Facebook. The case was seen as the government's first real effort to curb the company's dominance after several years of increasing political rhetoric against the company and rounds of congressional testimony probing into the business. The favorable ruling led to Facebook's stock rising more than 4% Monday, and the company hitting a $1 trillion market cap for the first time. In a statement, the company said they were pleased the court's decision, quote, recognized the defects in the government complaints filed against Facebook. So what happened? The FTC hinged its case around one figure. In the original 53-page court filing made back in December, the FTC estimated Facebook owned in excess of 60% of a market the government defined as personal social networking. The FTC didn't offer any further details about how it arrived at the 60% figure, what the 60% represents, or what exactly constitutes personal social networking, a term the government coined for its argument. And a federal judge honed in on these ambiguities. Judge James Boasberg said, quote, the FTC's inability to offer any indication of the metrics or methods it used to calculate Facebook's market share renders its vague 60% plus assertion too speculative or conclusory to go forward. Even if the FTC had better explained its 60% figure, that market share is lower than what antitrust suits are typically built on. Generally, antitrust cases proceed when authorities can show a defendant controls 70% or more of a market, though there is no firm legal rule dictating a specific threshold. During the government's antitrust case against Microsoft, for example, regulators estimated Microsoft dominated 80 to 80% of the market. Regulators were given 30 days from the time of the ruling to refile the complaint against Facebook. But the judge's decision is a clear indication that pursuing Facebook in court will be harder than expected, and more difficult than calling Zuckerberg back to Congress for more testimony.